Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to submit assignments through Schoology, especially if you're using a Google slide presentation or a Google Doc. So I'm in my course right now, and I have video instructions for this particular course, so you can watch that, of course. Just click right there. And here is my actual assignment. So I'm going to click on the blue link to open my assignment, and my screen will look something like this. So you have assignment tab right here, and it tells you a description, any instructions that your teacher will leave right here, and then you need to click on my document. Okay, and then you want to edit your document, and this is going to open whatever it is, a Google slide, a Google Doc, it's going to open it in a new tab. So notice this is where I was. This is my new tab that was opened. So you will edit, complete your assignment on this page, just like you would, follow your teacher's instructions. If it's a Google Doc, if it's a Google slide, and it will save automatically, but it will not be submitted automatically. This is where it gets a little tricky. So notice when we clicked on the Google slide, it opened it in a new tab. This is our new tab. And it also made a copy for me. So it has my name and the assignment name. So you should get your own copy. But after you're finished with the assignment, after you're finished typing on the slides or the Google Doc, whatever it is, you will have to go back to the original page in Schoology. So just like this, and you will have to click Submit Assignment. Your assignment will not automatically turn in unless you go to this page and click Submit Assignment. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to submit it? And I'm going to say yes, submit. And you should get this rocket. Your assignment has not been submitted until you see this screen, until you have this notification that says submitted, successful launch, your submission is on its way with the rocket. And then you can click done, and that's all you have to do for that.